Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your Galaxy S26 Ultra. In today's video, I will be reviewing the BENKS Montage Case. Yes, they did send this out to me for a review, so I do need to give them a shout out. I have been using BENKS for a few different devices now, and I really do like their case lineup. This one has a little bit more protection than, say, the aramid fiber cases. This one it's still a very minimalistic case, but it has a little bit more protections on the side and the bottom than some of the other cases. It is made with Kevlar. Like we normally do in my reviews, we'll make sure everything lines up. Do you get camera protection? Do you get lip protection? The overall fit of the case? Does it add bulk? How strong is the magnet on there? Can you wireless charge? Just the normal things you look for in a case video. But bam, here you go. Here is the key box itself. And then look, ooh. I will have the links. You can definitely pick it up and you can save some money with the links in there. I'm gonna have a discount code. I do like the feel of the case. One thing I noticed too, I wish they would add some type of grip material here or some type of pattern to give you a little bit more grip there. But you heard that snap, right? Do you get camera protection? I'm gonna say yes. It could be a little bit better. I wouldn't slam my phone down there, but you do have some protection there. Same thing with the lip protection around it. You do have some protection. It could be a little bit more, but have a screen protector. They make a screen protector. I reviewed it on the channel. Go check it out. The power button is nice and tactile. Same thing with the volume rockers. Everything lines up at the bottom there. I mean at the top. Everything lines up at the bottom. Now the one thing with the pen, I wish they would have made a more of an indentation there, because without well, it's not too bad. But without fingernails, it's a little bit harder to get out. So put a little bit more indentation. And see what I mean too? This is all covered. This side is covered, and then all the buttons are covered. They have other cases that are a little bit more, I would say a little bit less minimalistic, or a little bit more minimalistic, that doesn't have all that protection on there too. So that's why I like this case. And then the overall fit, a little loose at the bottom here, but not bad. It comes back. As long as it comes back for me, I don't have a problem. And then taking it off, y'all hear the snap though, right? So overall, the fit is pretty good on there. Can you wireless charge? I don't think you have a problem. Yes, you can wireless charge, as you can see there. And then the magnet, puck went flying there. Magnet seems, oh yeah, not bad at all. Again, you're not going to be shaking your phone like this. I don't know anybody else that, well, I mean, it's going all over the place. So the magnet is really strong on here. Little montage art there, a little logo. Bam, it says BENKS there too on the camera. So this one checks off a lot of boxes for you. It is not bulky at all. Doesn't add bulk to your phone. The buttons are nice and tactile. Everything lines up at the bottom. The magnet is strong on here. Couple things, the camera protection could be a little bit more. And then you could have a little bit more lip protection, but not overall bad. And it does feel great in the hands, except, again, I mean, it feels great. It could add a little bit more texture there, so it's not as slippery as the case itself. But I've been using this case a little bit more between the other videos I've been doing. Bam. So if you want to pick up this case, I will have the links in the description. You can get it from Amazon. I mean, actually from their website. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. Until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.